Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials out of the way fast. Sign in, verify your account, and connect payment details so you can collect sales. Once done, prepare your sticker art at 300 dpi and export PNGs sized for common stickers, roughly 2,000–4,000 pixels on the longest side. At the same time, research 5 strong keywords and 3 niche ideas to name files and optimize listings. This early SEO work speeds discoverability when you upload. Now you upload your PNG into Zazzle's product editor and select sticker shape, size options, and bleed margins. While you upload, craft a clear title and a short description that uses your keywords naturally. Add 5–10 tags and choose the best category so Zazzle search can find you. Then set a base price and choose your royalty percent, add mockups, and any size variations. Make sure images look crisp in previews before you publish a draft. Publish your sticker and immediately enable sharing links so you can promote it externally. Then post on 2 visual platforms like Instagram and Pinterest and 1 niche community where buyers hang out. Once live, watch impressions and sales data daily for the first 2 weeks and tweak price, tags, or thumbnail to improve clicks. If your listing gets views but no sales, troubleshoot by testing a lower price, clearer mockups, or refining tags. 1 targeted change at a time will reveal what works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.